Hello and welcome to our Top Tips video, where we hope to share with you some ideas about how you can support your child with their reading. One of the best gifts that you can give your child is the ability to read. A child who can read confidently will not only gain a lifetime of enjoyment from books, but most importantly will possess the skills needed to access the world around them. Although your child will be taught to read in school, don't underestimate how important your role is in helping them develop a positive approach to reading. Creating the right atmosphere and environment can help your child on their way. Top tip 1. Provide reading material. Try to ensure that there's a wide range of reading material in your home. Reading isn't just about storybooks, and in fact, many younger children enjoy reading factual information just as much as fiction. Visit the library regularly to make sure that your child sees lots of different types of books. This way, they can begin to decide what they like and don't like. Newspapers and comics can also provide good reading material. A great source of free reading material can be found in the form of leaflets and pamphlets advertising local attractions. Top tip 2. Read aloud. Be a top role model for reading. Make sure that your child sees you read regularly. And most importantly, let your child see that you gain pleasure and information from what you read. Read out loud to your child. Books, poems, nursery rhymes, newspaper and magazine articles, text messages, food labels, recipes, road signs, pretty much anything that's close to hand. This will encourage your child to look for words and to understand their importance. Top tip 3. Ask questions. Ask questions about the story as you read it. What's the story about? Who is this character? Why did they do that? What do you think will happen next? Talk to your child about the words used in the story. What does that word mean? Why do you think the writer used that word? Can you think of another word that means the same thing? If you don't feel confident, there are websites which will provide you with sets of questions you could ask. These question mats can be printed from Twinkl and will provide you with a wide range of good questions to ask your child. Top tip 4. Go online. Don't forget the power of technology. There are hundreds of apps and good quality online reading sites where children can play games and read different types of material. Online games can support phonics and spelling. There are also sites with online stories to listen to. How about using some of the original interactive stories on Twinkl, such as Ronald the Rhino? Top tip 5. Make space. Although it's great to read anywhere or at any time, children enjoy knowing that there's a special time when you share reading with them. For many children, this might be before bedtime, but it can be at any time that suits you and your child. Choose a special place or a regular time when you and your child can read together. Top tip 6. Make it fun. Try to make sure that reading doesn't become a chore. Make it fun so that you and your child can look forward to it. Take it in turns to read a line each. Put on silly voices when reading aloud. Add a bit of drama to stories and act out what's happening, or dress up in costume. Try reading in an unusual place. Suggest reading under the covers one night using torches. Make a tent with a sheet and pillows and read in the tent. Remember, not every child finds reading easy and not all children learn at the same pace. But by following these top tips, you're giving your child a head start by creating a positive attitude to reading. Good luck and happy reading!